in, it will look nice and shiny again. And then these are 10 millimeters across, to take those out to get these out. Note to you, when you're taking these out, when you push these back, it releases the pin. Then you can just take that out carefully. Don't force it. You don't want to be breaking things here when you're taking this out. And then these guys, because they sometimes can wiggle to come out, but if they've been sitting like mine has for so long, you might need a little pry tool. guys, and try to clean it up a bit. Spend too much time, just cleaned off as much grime as I could to make it look a little bit shinier, and we'll put the bolts back in.
Around 7.5 foot-pounds, and I have my specs here. 1, 2, this be 1. So some of them I'll have to torque all the way by hand. Maybe just torque them all by hand first. It's a little by hand. Bought the pre-gap NGK spark plugs. My favorite. Now, okay. So we can put them in, hook them to spec. So this was 12. This was 13. Hopefully it all runs. We're doing this, hopefully. Something colossally wrong. Alright, so most of everything is in. I will have to put this in tomorrow and put the top in. And before I do that, I want to be able to connect a new windshield guard, which I'll do tomorrow when the sun's out. For now, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.